Hey Pirates! I'm Miss Getter and I'm your language arts teacher for this year. I'm really excited that we get to work together this year. As of right now, we're completely digital, which means you're going to be where you are and I'll be right here at Parkway teaching you. So if you want to know a little bit about me, look right here. I'm the oldest of 4. I have 3 brothers. I also have 3 cats named Gambit, Bagheera, and Sammy that I love. They're my favorites. I love to read, which is why I became a language arts teacher in the first place. And I'm also a lover of all things nerdy. You'll find out what that means later. So let's talk about supplies. What are you going to need for my class? Well, first off, you need a reliable internet connection. You cannot be a digital student if you can't connect to the internet. It just doesn't work. You're going to need to make sure you have a camera so that way we can see each other's happy, smiling faces. You're going to want to make sure that you have paper, pencils, things like that, so that way when we are doing things that require writing, you can do it. We are in a language arts class, so you will need to write. Typing does not take the place of writing sometimes. Sorry guys. Most other things we should be fine with. I'll let you know as we need them, but I can't think of anything much more than that. As far as grading goes, 60% of your grade is going to be dependent on the work you do here in class. That means if I assign you an assignment, that goes into the 60% category. If I give you an assessment, and I'll let you know when those assessments are before they happen, that's going to go into the 40% category. So 60% classwork / assignments and 40% assessments. Okay. Anything else you want to know about me? Just feel free to ask. As far as contact information goes, my email address is amanda.getter@osceolaschools.net. I have a school phone number, that's right over there. And also, there will be remind codes that you'll receive on the very first day of school. Hope you have a great day, Pirates, and I can't wait to see you online on the first day of school.